Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a fall edition grocery haul from Trader Joe's, and as soon as that's over we're gonna deep clean the fridge. Let's get started. I want to go through everything that I got and I'll show you guys how much that was at the end. So let's get started on this side. From Trader Joe's, every year they come out with this pasta sauce. It's my favorite sauce. I try to stock up before fall is over because I like to have it as much as possible, but this one's really good. I highly recommend it. I've never had their fall harvest salsa. This is going to be a first for me. Also, their pumpkin butter. They say this is good on bread. And I did get the bread. I'll show you the bread later. Ginger beer. We actually always get this. This is just soda. It's non-alcoholic, but it's kind of like ginger ale, but like very gingery. And this olive oil, they say the foggier, like when the oil is like really foggy, that it's very strong. So always get like this kind of olive oil. Pumpkin spice batons for ice cream or snacking. I always get their fizzy water. It's really good. They're not sweet. It's just water and then flavor. So I got 2 lemon flavors. What is this? Cranberry clementine, and then 2 limes. 2 cartons of eggs. I got their organic limes and their avocados. This pasta, I never tried their organic pasta before, so I wanted to get it today. I usually get their regular pasta. Their regular pasta is like 99 cents. This was like $1.29, I believe. And this is their pumpkin bread. It says with cinnamon bits, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and sesame seeds. Like, looked pretty interesting, so I wanted to try it. I got some organic apples for my baby. He usually eats these in the morning. I make applesauce and I mix it with oatmeal for him. This is my favorite tea. It's their Moroccan mint green tea. I always get this as soon as I run out. Their maple coffee. I've never tried it before. I'm excited to try it out. Just some lettuce, organic lettuce, their organic peas. This is for my baby. Every time they come out with Pumpkin-O's, I get it. I'm so excited every time they come out. They are my favorite. What else? Oh, their pumpkin bars are also really good. I just thought this was like the cutest thing ever. The little chocolates made out of like corn and pumpkins, bananas. And then this one I wanted to try. Somebody told me it was really good. I think one of the people from the cash register that was ringing me up. It's just phyllo dough with cheese and then some pistachios on top. Their yogurt, this is peaches and cream, and then this side is mango and cream. It's really good. And some pears. Everything came out to $85.56 with tax. I think the most expensive thing I got was the coffee. I believe that was $7.99. Yeah, the holiday maple coffee. But everything else was pretty good price. So this is everything that I got. Usually the pumpkin things come out a little bit more expensive. I usually don't spend as much a week at Trader Joe's. But that's it for this part, and we're gonna get to cleaning the fridge.